Okay guys, we're happy to move on to chapter 7.3, and once again I would remind you that your job is to go through the work by yourself on page 327 to page 329. Work through those examples by yourself before you watch this movie. That'll help you understand the work. Okay, so just a general introduction to chapter 7.3, section 3. What does this section deal with? Well, in the first section we drew just a straightforward graph where we would, for example, say y is equal to x squared. This is the standard graph that we have, y is equal to x squared, and you can see that the vertex is on 0. Okay. Then in the second section, we added C. Okay. And what did C do? C moved this graph up and down. So it moved up and down the y-axis. So basically, C moves this graph up and down the y-axis. So if I, for example, say y is equal to x squared plus 1, then this graph is going to move up 1 unit. If I would say y is equal to x squared minus 1, it's going to move 1 unit down from the original equation. Okay, so here's the ordinary straightforward first one. Let's repeat it in red so you can see where it was. Y is equal to x squared, and then if we say x squared plus 1, it moves up 1 unit. If we say x squared minus 1, it moves down 1 unit. Okay, that's what we learned in the second section. Now in the third section, we're going to see what does this B part do. Okay, now I'm going to tell you that the B part moves it left or right on the x-axis. Okay, move. So let's erase, yes, we can fit this in. Move, it's probably too close. Left or right on the x-axis. That is what the x does for us. And how does that transform to our graph here? Okay, if this was the first graph that I started with, it means it would move either to the left. So instead of starting here, we would have a graph here to the left or to the right. That is what we deal with in this section. Okay, and the next thing that we're going to learn in this section is also a cheating method. I call it cheating because we learn how to draw a graph like this without having to go through the whole process of setting up a table of values. But I'll deal with that in the next movie. This one, I just want you to see what does the bx do and what does the c do for our equation. Thank you.